Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called match strategy used in manufacturing environment. Match strategy in capacity planning affects all aspects of company's operation. The advantage of employing a match strategy is that it most effectively matches actual capacity to what is required by the market. Companies use other strategies when an exact match is unimportant. The lead strategy tries to anticipate future required capacity and expands capacity to meet it. The lag strategy only expands capacity when present capacity is fully utilized. Both have the high risk of not providing the required capacity. The match strategy closely tracks the capacity use and incrementally increases the capacity as needed, ensuring capacity availability. One of the main advantage of match strategy for capacity planning is that it ensures the availability of sufficient capacity to meet the needs of company's customers. The manufacturing or service capability of company exists to serve its customer, and customer satisfaction depends on the company's timely response to their request. When enough capacity to meet customer needs is not available, customers will be inconvenienced or make other arrangements. The match strategy, with its focus on matching actual capacity to that which is required, avoids these problems. Avoiding overcapacity, it is possible to plan for sufficient capacity by projecting future needs based on past experience. Such planning avoids capacity bottlenecks and dissatisfied customer, but it does so at the risk of installing substantial overcapacity. When projected sales or planned events don't work as projected, the company will have installed excess capacity. The match capacity avoids potential overcapacity by only increasing capacity when market conditions indicate the need, and then it increases only incrementally. Thanks for watching. Bye.